Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Ted's equipment from Canada, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now this lamp does not work properly, and all it does when you plug it in and turn it on is click. So we want to troubleshoot the main PC boards and the base of the unit. We also want to troubleshoot the gear cluster pack. So we will be troubleshooting the entire lamp while it's in the shop. And we have a lot of work that we need to do, so we want to get a start on this lamp. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this animated goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repairs to this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we have the unit plugged in, and we also want to mention that if you're not going to use the lamp for a period of time, you always want to make sure that you turn the unit off, and it's probably best to unplug Goofy from the electrical outlet, because these type of lamps are very prone to power surges on the electrical line. And so you want to try to unplug it if it's not going to be used for a while. Now what we want to do is go ahead and turn the Goofy lamp on.
Yep, things are looking brighter already.
And we want to give it a second before we turn the lamp off. It's not a good idea to take this lamp and turn it on and off real quick. You want to give it a little bit. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And Goofy has a lot of really cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit back on.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
And we'll give that a second. We'll turn the lamp off.
Guess it's time to go. See you later.
We'll go ahead and turn the Goofy lamp back on.
That's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
We'll give that a second. Turn the unit off.
Who turned out the light?
And we'll turn the Goofy lamp back on one last time.
Hello? Hello?
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Ted, and he can enjoy this Goofy lamp once again. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.